downwards. Yeah, Mommy, it's supposed to be like that.
Yeah?
Yeah, but instead, I like it like this.
Okay, mi amor.
Mash it, mash it, mash it. I like this place to kill the evil thing. It's done. That evil place is done. Now we need the booster for this. So we need to add the finger and then boom. Stop with the scratcher. Fly back. Winding mode. Boom. Now use the booster. I like you filming. We have to use the flying winding mode. Which means we have to stick in it as hard as we can and fit down. Then stab this down. Means you have to put the top up. Then that post is cleared. I'm on winding mode. Oh! Scratch the TV. Then circle and touch the spikes without getting hurt. Yeah, I'm not touching them for real. Our scratchers go on his tail and fly. And then winding mode for extra points.